This video shows you how to find linear approximation of a function at some point A. So the linearization of fx is the tangent line of function at fa. For differential formula, fx equal to f x naught plus change of x, or f x naught plus df, or f x naught plus f prime dx. This video also shows you how to find and evaluate the differential equation dy. It contains plenty of examples and practice problems.